Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The OnePlus 8 series launch event is happening on April the 14th and we were expecting 3 phones to be launched, the base handset with the Lite and Pro variant, but it seems that may not be the case. According to multiple reliable leakers, the OnePlus 8 Lite isn't to be unveiled on April the 14th, instead it will apparently land later with a different name. Firstly, Max Weinbach stated that the OnePlus 8 Lite would actually be called the OnePlus Z as a spiritual successor to the OnePlus X from 2015, which was a budget alternative to the OnePlus 2. This handset would likely be for fans who are put off by the fact that OnePlus phones are slowly getting more and more pricey. Oppo, a phone company owned by the same parent company as OnePlus, took a similar route in expanding its Oppo Reno series with the Oppo Reno Z, and Apple is rumored to be doing the same with the iPhone 9 for people who don't want to pay for a pricey iPhone 11. As for the later launch, Ishan Agarwal tweeted that the OnePlus Z might come later in 2020 and that it could herald the beginning of a whole new OnePlus range. This presumably would be a series distinct from OnePlus 8T range, which we are also expecting later this year and would be aimed at a different audience to the main devices. Most phone companies have multiple lines of smartphone coming out, like Samsung with its Galaxy S, Note, AAM and J phones available in some combination depending on the region, so it wouldn't be surprising if OnePlus did the same. It sounds like OnePlus could be trying to come up with a budget line to sit under its main line, like how Xiaomi has the Redmi brand to hit that market. We will likely find out later in this year though, with the April 14th launch dedicated to the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro by the sounds of it. We will be reporting on all the news from that event as well as our analysis and opinions, so stay tuned for that. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.